people in their network to keep that tap rooting of people that you otherwise would not have known, right? And so when I talk about the expectation and the urgency, the first thing is for you for any of us, setting the right expectation with new associates. Hey, can you commit an hour a day? Yes or no? That's the first thing, right? Okay. Can you commit to being coachable? Can we work together to help you see success? Because sometimes people just want to do their own thing. They think they know better, even though they know they're new and they don't. It's just habit, right? And so we have to remember that we are fighting through people's habits and programming. And so one, getting there, setting the right expectation, getting their buy-in of, yes, I can commit an hour a day, a couple hours a week, whatever it is, get that commitment from them. And then the commitment of, okay, we're going to work together during these times. And then the urgency of taprooting. Okay, let's get your launch scheduled. Who can we talk to right now, right? Getting to their people quickly. So those are the two things that I will say in relation to what you shared, Ms. Holly.